Hello friends, welcome! Today's video is going to be a quick little just like springy eyeshadow tutorial. I'm going to be using the Colourpop Aura and Out eyeshadow palette. Thought these looked like some fun, like not too bright for summer, so a little more on like the springtime side. So I wanted to play with these today. The eyeshadow look that I'm going to be doing honestly has been like my go-to, not necessarily with these colors, but kind of just like my go-to process, trying to be like quick and easy. Nothing too like dramatic or intense, but very sparkly, very simple, and can really be used with any color combo in my opinion. So if you're new here, hi, my name is Jackie and welcome to my channel. If you enjoyed today's video, definitely hit that thumbs up button as well as subscribe on your way out. Alright, let's just go ahead and dive right into the makeup. Alright, I'm starting with the shade Young Love, which is just a nice white matte. I'm going to take my fluffy E35 Tapered blending brush by Sigma. Just give myself a nice even white base. Using that same Sigma E35 Tapered blending brush, I'm going in with the shade Vibes and just dusting that all over my crease, not really being super precise, just taking my time building it up till it's as bright as I want it to be. I realized I forgot to zoom in, so now I'm going to zoom in so you can see what I'm doing up and close. Again, with this shade, I'm really not being precise, just doing some windshield wiper motion, some swirls, and just really getting that everywhere in the crease to blend everything out later. Still using the shade Vibes, I'm just going to pinch the brush together and lightly dust that on the lower lash line to give it a little bit of something something. Now I'm going in with the shade Soul Sister, and this is their Super Shock formula, I believe. So it takes a little bit of time to build it up on the lid, but it's such a gorgeous color. I'm just placing it all over the lid. Again, letting it go up into the crease, not being super precise. Just want a bright and shimmery lid. Adding no additional product, just gonna blend out those edges in the crease. Going in with a clean finger and using the shade New Age, which is a gorgeous sparkly teal shade, placing that right in the center of my lid, just kind of blending that in to give that simple, subtle halo effect. Not trying to get it too far into the inner or outer corner, and making sure it blends seamlessly into that first shade. Now using my Sigma E30 pencil brush in the same shade New Age, just dusting a little bit of that shimmer on the lower lash line. Just wanted to give my lower lash line a little something extra, you know? Still using that same shade New Age, but now with the Morphe M515 brush. Super little detailed brush, gonna brighten up that inner corner. You guys know I love me a bright inner corner. So I'm taking it a little tiny bit onto the lid and a little bit under the lash line as well. And then not really adding any additional product, gonna dust it under that brow bone. Now this next step is super optional. I know some people aren't super comfortable working with glitters, but I'm taking the shade Energetics on my ring finger for the same reason you apply under eye cream with your ring finger, so you get gentle pressure, and I'm just kind of lightly tapping that all over my eye. You can see I really love the extra little sparkle it gives. It looks so good all over the eye in my opinion. But again, super optional, just be careful if you are working with glitters. One last time, just using my Sigma E35, blend everything, make sure everything looks simple and easy. Now going in with the felt tip side, using the NYX Two Timer Liner, just making a thin little line on my upper lash line just to define my eye a little bit more. I'll be honest, in the beginning it was doing a good job going over the glitter, but the more I used it, it kind of was frustrating me a little bit. Now I'm going in with the Colourpop Cream Gel Liner in the shade Exit. I just wanted to really brighten up my waterline and make my eyes really pop. Last but certainly not least, using my L'Oreal Voluminous Lash Paradise Mascara just to give my eyelashes a little something something. We all know I have no eyelashes, but gotta at least make them mesh with the look. So I definitely just did my whole outro and realized I wasn't recording. I don't know how that happens. But anyways, we're all done with the finished look. I know the camera doesn't pick it up as well as I would have loved, just because it's such a subtle halo eye kind of vibe, but it's so simple and easy. I promise, like any color combo you do with this, it's just going to take so little amount of effort, so little amount of time, and I always like to add a little, extra sparkle on top. Anyways, that completes today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, definitely hit that subscribe button and the post notification bell down below. That way you're notified every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday when I upload a new video. Definitely hit that thumbs up button as well if you enjoyed today's tutorial, and let me know what you might like to see next in the comments down below. Check me out on Instagram as well at JSanchez Beauty. But thank you again for watching. I truly appreciate your time, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye!